All right, all right. Can you guys hear me now? Let's see. Let's see. All right, there we go. Make sure you guys can hear me now. Can you guys hear me now? Put a one in the chat if you guys can hear me now. Let's see. All right. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah, don't work. You're not gonna hear me. I got the mic muted. Sorry about that, guys. Let's go right back again. That's it. What's up, what's up, what's up? This your guy, Crypto Chuck, back here to do Crypto Black. Back at it again, baby, guys. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also, guys, make sure that you guys follow us on all different social medias. Guys, we had a 3K challenge on a Telegram. Make sure you guys are inside that. Also, guys, make sure you guys check us out on Twitter, man. All social medias, on TikTok, we're on everything. Guys, we have right now, we have our just dropped yesterday. I'm very happy, man. We made it Time Business News, so we got Time Business News now. We made it inside there. We're gonna have a lot of stuff coming up. You know what I mean? A lot of stuff working on the background. A lot of things happening. So I'm very appreciative of this write-up right here. And we'll keep showing people how to get this money in cryptocurrency. We're going to show people how to have this freedom, how to be financially free in crypto. And then we'll keep bringing it to the people. You know what I'm saying? But today, man, we're going to talk about, the Fed decision coming up 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Less than an hour, guys. So we're going to knock this out, and I'm gonna show you what I'm planning to do. The market is green though right now, guys, so everything's looking fine. I know a lot of people are happy right now at the moment. I know I'm happy because the market is running up, and we love the money. We love the market when it runs up, guys. So shout out to everybody that did buy some of that dip, but guys, don't get too greedy. We do have that Fed decision coming up. Could it be priced in at the moment? We don't know, but we'll see how everything play out. But also, guys, remember we went over Crypto.com on Monday, how, they pretty much was like, listen, we not paying people no more, the interest, on the cards, whatever. And they reversed it. So we're going to go over that right there as well. But before we do all that, guys, let's check out our Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing right now. Right now, guys, Bitcoin is currently up 3.79% for the week. Actually 3.84%. Still going up. Pushing up. We had a high today at $39,475, guys. So, we did hit that 20-day moving average. And then, we got rejected a little bit. But let's say we push above this 50-day moving average, but we really gotta get above that 40,000. We see how that go, guys. So we'll see how that plays out. But the Fed decision is gonna be major, so we want to make sure we're in the right position when we are actually when this decision come out, and we won't be able to capitalize off of this. But Bitcoin is still down 0.79% for the week, and down 16.43% for the month. So we'll see how that play out. But the market is green, so I can't play out. And guys, I had to rock my shirt today, guys, because she's going off. It's one of my favorite coins. She's going off today. I don't care what you say. Forget you if you don't like it. I'm just playing. Cardano, baby. I had to rock my Cardano shirt today, baby. You know what I'm saying? Cardano's going up. You know what I mean? We did do a big drop though. but keep getting rejected right here, guys, at around 119 Cardano is. But we pushing up today. Good volume coming in. We up 8.18% today, so that's a good thing right there. So we'll see how this all work out. But Bitcoin, Bitcoin is pushing up. We like that. We like to see Bitcoin push up. A lot of people saying, "Oh, we're going to 28,000. Oh, this and that. 25,000. 20,000 Bitcoin." Okay, whatever, man. You know what I mean? A lot of people don't know what they talk about. I'm letting you know right now. A lot of people don't know what they're talking about. But let's see how this Fed decision roll out though. But let's check it out. So it says first mover said the latest moves in crypto markets context for May 4th So it says Bitcoin holds a trend line support ahead of the Fed. The central bank is expected to accelerate the pace of monetary tightening. One observer said the hawkish trade isn't over yet. And guys, as you guys can see, I don't know what happened. As you guys can see here, we'll look for 2 p.m. the Fed interest rate. Now the consensus is it's going to hit. Previously they pushed it up 0.5%, right? So the consensus is that they're going to push it up 1% this time around. So we'll see how this work out. Now, could it be priced in already? We don't know, but we know people are going to make a move after, once we hear it. Once you hear the decision, and we want to make sure you guys are set up and ready to go. So if you guys do trade, and if you are in our challenge, that 500 to 3K challenge, if you're using your and people are trading, just make sure you fall into position. And we'll talk about this right. We'll talk about this right after this. So the central bank is expected to accelerate the pace of monetary tightening with 50 basis points rate hike and announce quantitative tightening. A phased reduction in the size of the balance sheet that has doubled to nearly $9 trillion in 2 years. The 50 basis point hike would lift the Fed funds target rate range to 0.75% to 1%. A basis point equals 0.01%. The futures market is pricing in the Fed's rate of 2.82% by the end of this year, implying a 50 basis point rate hike in May, a similar outside move in June, July, and September. So, guys, just have your stuff lined up because in June we have another Fed, could be another Fed rate hike. You know what I mean? So, for the people that not ready today, you could be ready next month, and just look at it and observe today how the market moves, and then you can actually have yourself positioned for next month. So, a day like today can make your month. You know what I mean? If you have the right capital. But or you say, listen, man, I just want to make it $500 a month in trading, or $1,000 or $5,000 a month in trading, and you have some good money, you have some okay money, whatever to trade with. And if you're trading with leverage, you know what I mean, which I don't tell everyone to do if you're brand new to trading, but once you start trading and you understand it, then you can make a lot of money doing that as well, because you're using other people's money to trade. So it says, therefore, the consensus is that the peak Fed hawkishness is baked in. The central bank couldn't get more hawkish, and risk asset, including Bitcoin, could rally following the event. Since December has been a dominant narrative, yet the Fed has surprised markets each time, killing recovery rallies. That's evident from lower highs on Bitcoin daily chart. The cryptocurrency picked up bullish momentum after the Fed kicked off the tightening circle with a 25 basis point rate hike on March the 16th, and rose from 38,850 to 48 grand, baby, 48 grand in your hand. In the following 2 weeks, partly aided by the Lunar Foundation Guard aggressive purchases, the gains, however, was erased in April, with Fed Chair Jerome Powell putting a 50 basis point rate hike on the table. Taking off the table, man. Taking off the table. So it says it may not be different on the time this time, according to John Turek, author of the Cheap Convexity blog. All right. Yep. So it says from the technical analysis standpoint, the focus is on the trend line connecting January 24th and February 24th lows. A break would mean a continuation of a sell-off from November highs around 69 grand and expose the bigger ascending trend line currently located at 29,400. Then it says on the higher side, the May 28th high of 48,250 is the level to beat for the bulls. The cryptocurrency could begin the march toward that level if the Fed unexpectedly focuses on a negative impact of rates on the economy and softens expectations for a 75 basis points hike in June. So, guys, we're gonna see. Like I said, you can take position today. And what I like to do, I'm not telling anybody what to do, but what I like to do, I sit and I wait. 2 p.m. as soon as the decision comes out, you're going to see a move be made. Then I just follow that trend. I follow that trend in that move, but I don't get too greedy. I don't get too greedy. And then what I do is I like to basically make that, I go in that momentum of that move and I'm out. You know, if I can make it 20, 30%, then I'm in and I'm out. That's what I like to do. I have my take profits already in play. So, and you can always get back in if you want to, but I say no. I say take your money and go, because a day like today, when soon that decision is made, the market just moves, and then it'll be either up or down. So I have my position in. I'm ready to go, and I know, okay, cool. Take profit, take profit with my stop loss in. Give myself some room to breathe as well, but it just goes. It just goes straight up or goes straight down. So I either take my long or I take my short, and I mark it in on that. And then I put my take profit in while it's still moving. And I like to make my 3%, and then boom, at 3% on that leverage, then I can get about 30% on that. So yeah, and then go from there, guys. And then that's, you know, and that's how I like to make my moves when I'm trading, especially on a day like today. A day like today is a money day. But you wait though. You don't try. The problem is a lot of people, they think they're smarter than the market. They try to outsmart the market. They try to be bigger than the market and better than the market. The market is going to tell you what it want to do. You just have to have some patience. You sit back, wait for that volume to come in, and it start pushing, and then that price action start hitting, and then it tell you what it want to do. And I'm on the 5-minute chart, guys. I'm on the 5-minute chart when I'm looking at it, okay? My man Mike Miller, you know, got me addicted to that 5-minute chart now. Shout out to Mike on that one. But I like to wait. I sit on that 5-minute chart. It tells me, and I'll make it big, baby. You know what I mean? So a good example, I'll go on this 5-minute chart right here. You know, on Bitcoin, you can do Ethereum, whatever you want to do, whatever you like. And you see what's happening. You see what's happening. I'm putting it like that. You just see what's happening as we're getting closer. We're 45 minutes away. And I go on that 5-minute chart, and I make it big. I want to see it nice and good. I want to see it. I want it to be right in my face. You know what I'm saying? And I say, cool. You know, and then it tells me what it want to do. It tells me what it want to do. Mark it in, and I put my take profits in, my take profits in the platform I like to use. And if you guys in that 500 to 3K challenge, you know what platform I like to use. But it's a ton of other platforms out there like that. And then, boom, mark it in, not mark it out. I have my take profits in, but and then go from there. And then, so if you say, okay, cool, if I'm shortening the market, let's just say it was right here. And then like a minute before hits, and you say, okay, cool, and I want my 3%, you know what number you want to be at. So I have my ruler here, and then I have my my number there. So you said 20% or 2.5, you know what I mean? But depending on your leverage you on, and then boom. So I know I got at 37,772, I gotta be out if I'm shorting it, and then opposite of the next one. You know what I mean? So you can mark it out on that too. As long as you have you have the number in your head, like, you know what I mean, the number, or you can write it down. You know what I mean, whatever you want to do, and then boom, you reds to go. You know what I'm saying? So let's get back to the daily. But look, we seen that in this hour, what's happening. Now could have bounced off that 7-day on this hour as well. So we'll see how that work out. But you know, it's starting to tell me what it want to do ahead of this this rate. Now, don't be greedy too, guys. I'm telling you, because what happens, sometimes it will make one move, it'll make a big move one way, hit that bottom, and then it start reversing. So that's why you want to wait. You want to wait and say, okay, cool. See that volume come in, and then boom, and it start making that move. You're like, all right, cool. Now it's going. Boom, let me hop in. And off to the races. Take your money. And then when it start reversing, because it can reverse and start going the other way, and it start, boom, you know what I mean? Go from there as well. So, but like I said, just make sure that you are in position and ready to go, because you're a minute late. You know, it can reverse on you, and then you're like, damn, and you can lose a lot of money like that too. So it says, So, man, let's look at Crypto.com, man, makes a U-turn on cutting member rewards. But is it too late? Nah, I don't think it's too late. So, it said Crypto.com CEO Chris Mazalek responds to the feedback and announces a compromise on one of the cuts. Crypto.com users have voiced their disappointment with the firm's recent decision to slash members' reward benefits. Says the firm said effective on June 1st, it would apply a reduced cashback for card usage, introduce a cap on cashback rewards for Ruby Steel and Jade Green Royal, but Crow staking rewards to acquire the card to zero. Users said that the move was aggressive and did not give adequate time to consider the situation. However, some Crypto.com users say it's too little too late and they intend to stick with plans to pull funds from the platform and go elsewhere. Yeah, right. Like I said in the video on Monday. Yeah, right. People always say this stuff and then you see them right there. So like all the people that talk about USDT all the time and then like, oh yeah, USDT, it's a fraud, blah, blah, blah. But they use the exchanges that pretty much use USDT pretty much all the pairs is USDT. So I know they're not trading on Bitcoin pairs or Ethereum pairs. So that's why I don't take these people serious, guys. And I'm telling you, don't take these people serious because they just sit there and just cry like babies and whine like babies, and then they sit there and still use the platforms and the biggest proponent of it. So don't even take these people serious, guys. I'm telling you right now, I've been around this business for a long time, and I'm telling you, don't take these people serious, guys. They're a bunch of crybabies, and a lot of them still live in the basement in their mother's house. So it says, what has Crypto.com changed? Crypto.com generous rewards program was a significant factor in Crypto.com acquiring over 10 million users globally. The rewards depend on the amount of Crow stake. Currently, top tier Obsidian membership requires a stake of 400 grand in Crow for a lock-in period of 180 days to unlock the benefits. This includes 8% cash back when using the card, access to the highest paying APRs when staking other crypto tokens, and 12% PA Crow staking rewards for 400,000 lockup. It's also had other benefits, including reimbursement on Spotify and Netflix subscriptions. I have still not got my damn Netflix subscription thing. I gotta call them and see what's going on. I don't know how that works out, but I still haven't got my Spotify and Netflix subscription thing. Unless they do the $12 or the $20 back. I don't know. I gotta see what's going on. I had this stuff for years. So, however, with the announcement of slashing members' benefits, Crypto.com users took to social media to air the grievances. Yeah. So it says from June 1st, the firm will pay Crow staking rewards at 8% PA for private members within the CDN, Icy White, or Frosted Rose Gold card, and 4% PA for Jade or Royal Indigo card holders. So previous rates was 12%. So yeah, and 10% for the Jade Royal. So they're going down from 12 to 8, and then from 10 to 4 for people that's locking their stuff up. But really, I told people before, all you got to do, and that's the reason why probably Crow Coin went up as well. I think Crow went up as well after this because I seen Crow go up a little bit after this. I think it was yesterday. I think I seen Crow go up. So yeah, it went up, bounced off of this. Remember guys, on Monday I did a video. I said we gotta see if it bounced off this 26 cents, and it did. Back up to 30. It came back, it came down, bounced off this 20, dropped down to here. Had a little wick, got a lot of volume yesterday. And now we're at 30 cents. So it's up 4% for the day. So, shout out to everybody that did buy in, down here. And then we are 12% up. I told you guys, this stuff's not hard, man. It's not hard. Once you learn your some technical analysis, understand fundamentals, this stuff is not hard. You can make money off of it, and then you can just sit back and chill. But yeah, guys, I mean, this is nothing. Crow is big on reversing. They say something, they put their foot in their mouth, the community reacts, and then they say, "Oh, I'm sorry, guys, we'll come right back." So, Crow's big on that. So, I think it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Let's see. Let's do the Q&A, guys. Put your questions in. We got about 8 minutes. We're going to do a live Q&A, answer some questions for everybody out there in YouTube land. They got questions on the Fed today. You have questions on that's what everybody talk about, man. That's all the news today. You know what I mean? So basically, and you got any questions about Crow or anything like that, or any question what you looking at, any coins you're looking at, post your questions up in the chat, and we'll answer them for you. We got about 8 minutes. 7 minutes now. Or 6 minutes. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. All right. Wanda, what's good, sis? How you feeling? Let's see where everybody at. Brother Mo, where you at, man? What's up, man? Brother Mo, we gotta get you on the channel, man. You talking some NFTs, man. We gotta get you on the channel. Where you at, Brother Mo? We'll get you on the channel, man. Always dropping them gems on NFTs. People need to see you, man. People need to see you. My Scorpio brother. Let's see here. Let's see what question. Let me scroll down. Yep, up 4%. What's your beverage during the meeting? Water, H2O. I don't like to drink when I'm I don't like to drink when I'm trading. I want to make sure I'm focused. I'm laser focused. So H2O, that's my preference. You know what I mean? H2O, nice and cold H2O. I think the Fed news is already built into the market. I think it would be a nice day trade. You know what I mean? Or minutes trade. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna put it like that. You're gonna see, just like I said, if you're not used to trading, or if you're not big into, you know what I mean, you're not really big into trading, or you're just like, you know what, let me look at it, because we have another one in June. There's gonna be another Fed decision inside June. So look at this one today and say, okay, you know what? Let me see how it looks. Open the chart up. Like I said, make it nice and big. You know what I mean? And then, because the market is going to move. And then you sit back and you just relax. Put on a 5-minute chart. Don't put on the 1 day, put on a 5-minute chart. And it's going to move. And then once it moves, you hop in. You take that trade. You know what I mean? Once it moves, locked in, see the volume coming in. And then, you take that trade. And then once you take that trade, you get in, you get out. You don't sit it around. It's not going to fall forever. It's not going to rise forever. I'm telling you, it's going to say, you know what I mean? They start making another move. So you want to make sure you get in on that move. You wait too long, though, you're going to be hitting that tail end. And what you don't want is this. You get in like right here. That joint's like, you know what I mean? So you want to make sure you get in. When you start making that push, boom, you get right in. And then after that, it's over. It's on like Donkey Kong, baby. How I used to say it. Yeah, Phantom, I would say sit back. I wouldn't get inside Phantom at all. I would wait. I mean, I love Phantom, you know what I mean? But I would wait. It's too many breaches, too many hacks going on. And with crypto, the community is so young. And, I mean, it's like trading, period. Everything. It's like the trading environment today anyway. Once you lose the community, it's over. Like, you know what I mean? And it won't come back. And it's too many different, it's too much. Like before, Ethereum was the only show in town. Ethereum is still the big dog, so don't get it messed up. Ethereum is the big dog. But before, Ethereum was the only show in town. But now you have different ecosystems that's out there. So with one go down, it's just like it's doing bad. People just like they walk away from it and say, you know what, let me go throw my money over here, throw my money over there. And then they won't come back. They won't even look at it again. You know what I mean? 'Cause a lot of people, they're here for the money grab, a quick money grab. They're in the space for it, and a lot of that money is pushed in for a lot of those people doing quick money grabs. Or it could be a lot of that money pushed in from a lot of people that's working together to manipulate the price of the actual coin. And once they leave, then everything is done. Like, you know what I mean? And I would say Phantom, they had a lot of stuff going on. It was a lot of good things. I made a lot of money with Phantom, especially back in around Halloween time. Um, but it's one of those things where you want to wait first. You know what I mean? You want to wait first and make sure everything is fine. It's like I love Solana. I love Solana, but that you have a lot of these problems going on with Solana, their system. You know, which I think could they fix it? I think they'll fix it, but it's just those things, where it breaks down. Like when it's down 6-7 times in the last like 8 or 9 months. It's not good. It's not good because people rely on this stuff. You know what I mean? And you get caught with your pants down. The market makes a certain move, and you can't do anything because the blockchain is down basically. Then by the time you get access to it, then you screwed. Like, you know what I mean? So Bitcoin is the one platform that don't have none of these issues. It's the most secure platform pretty much ever. Never had any time off, never broke down, never did anything. So that's the good thing about Bitcoin. That's why I love Bitcoin because, I'm a semi maxi. I'm a semi Bitcoin maxi. But let's see, Shiba Swap. What do you think about Shiba Swap? Shiba Swap is down there, bro. Like with the I think 8 took over. Like, you know what I mean? Everything right now. Shiba Swap, like the actual DEX is like it's down there. Like I think like on CoinMarket, you look at like a CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, like in DEX wise, like that joint is all the way down there. So I think the retail market is pretty much like gone. You see what I'm saying? So if you look at like Shiba, the retail market is pretty much gone. So when you're looking at Shiba, man, like you see, look, it's down 12%. It's down 22% for the month. In the last 6 months, down 67%. Like it's like the market is gone, bro. Like with Shiba, like it's just like, cause retail just like going at the market right now. They'll come back though at all time highs. They'll come back at all time highs. When everything get real high again, and when you paying like quadruple the price for right now, they'll be back. They'll be high. Oh, I want to buy it. What should I? Bitcoin $60,000. When can I buy it? But right now, Bitcoin at 38,000, 39,000. They don't want to touch it. You know what I mean? That's why Louis Vuitton and all these other places, you know what I mean, high places, they make mad money. They make mad money off of that. Hold up. Yes, I did. Sorry about that. My lady gave me some lunch right now, so. Let's see here. But yeah, besides that, I would say Shiba. Shiba is definitely something that you want to Shiba is something that you want to stay away from for right now. You want to stay with the big boys right now. Let's see right here. Hold anything for investment, or are you trading only? Oh, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Like my top 5 is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, BNB, 88. I know Litecoin, I know, but Litecoin up 3%, over 3% today. But and these are my ride or dies right here. My ride or dies is what I hold. You know what I mean? So that's what I like. But Bitcoin, Ethereum, I try to accumulate as much as possible, as well as BNB. Cardano for the staking. I'm constantly getting paid for staking off of that. I let it sit there. But I love to hold those coins. But Bitcoin and Ethereum, I don't think you should ever sell your Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think you're crazy if you do. I just try to accumulate as much as possible. I think Bitcoin one day hit $1 million. I think, it'll be by 2030. I think Bitcoin hit $1 million. But besides that, guys, I'm telling you, I think we really can make a lot of money by just holding it. You know what I mean? I'm a firm believer. I've held Bitcoin, Ethereum for so long, and I'm constantly accumulating it, dollar cost averaging, buying more, and I'm not touching it. put in a nice cold storage wallet, let it sit back and chill, and I've watched it go up exponentially. I mean, it's ridiculous how much it went up. So, why trade something like Ethereum that's you got for under $100 and went up to 4,000? And some people say, "Oh yeah, but it went down. She got out of it." Bro, I got in under $100. I got a lot of it. Most of my Ethereum I got under $200, like under $200 or under $250. Like most, I don't think I even bought, like far as a large amount, over $250. Dollar cost average, yeah. But far as like, let me buy like a lot of Ethereum, it's always like under $100, $250 the most. And so anybody come to me like, "Oh man, you should sell." I'm like, bro, most of the stuff I bought, like $100, under $100, under $200, it's $3,000. Like, you think I'm sad about that? And I think Ethereum will hit 20,000-30,000 one day. I'm just waiting for that time. Why do all this stuff? I just wait. Somebody say, "Hey, look, man, just stay at this job right here, or just hold this thing. I'm gonna give you this rock, and then this rock will be worth $1 million one day. In about 10 years. Are you gonna, and somebody comes to you and be like, "Hey man, I give you $100,000 for that rock. Will you sell that rock?" No. You be like, "Nah, I'm just gonna wait." I mean, it's up to you. You know what I mean? But most people say, "Nah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to 10 years. I'll be a millionaire," versus selling a rock, getting 100,000 right now. You know what I mean? What's the next ETH? The next ETH is ETH. ETH 2.0 is the next ETH. You know what I mean? You just go, you just look at different projects, but all the Ethereum got the most developers working on it. Ethereum got the most things happening on it. They have the most the NFTs, the metaverse, everything is working off Ethereum. Ethereum is just too big. It's like Chase Bank. Like, you know what I mean? You might hear a lot of other banks coming up, blah blah blah, different things happening, but there's no other Chase. Like, you know what I mean? It's already, it's too big to fail. You know what I mean? I put it like that. But you have other projects out there. I mean, you have Polygon out there. I love Polygon Network. You have, what else you have? You have, I think Avalanche is a big one. Terra Luna, obviously. Obviously Binance Smart Chain. I love those ecosystems. But Ethereum is Ethereum, and there won't be another. I don't, in the near future, I don't see it. It's just too much stuff being built on it. And all the big stuff, all the big money that's coming, they building on Ethereum, not building on nothing else. All right, let's see. What else? Let's see here. See if I miss anybody. Anything for investment? Yeah, I like to use the smaller coins to trade on. And get more Bitcoin, more Ethereum, So I like to identify the coins that's moving and trade against Bitcoin or Ethereum. So on a down day, if Bitcoin is going down or Ethereum is going down, I like to find a coin that's going up, and I would trade it for Bitcoin. So I would basically have a trade off of Bitcoin in for that coin and then sell it back into Bitcoin. So that coin going up like this, then sell it back into Bitcoin. So and then you look for a Bitcoin pair, shall I say? So like, say for example, if I'm doing like say 88 running a day, right? And you're doing a 88 against Bitcoin, as you see this right here, you see 88. It's at 0.00002126 satoshis. So you're trading off of that. You can sell it, if it hit it at this at 2166 satoshis. So say you bought this right here, and then you sell it here, you have 4.7, this is 4.71% move. Then you can sell it back, and you got 4.71 more 4.71% more Bitcoin. And then you can take that, and that's how you get more Bitcoin. That's how you get more Ethereum. So you try to identify the coins that's actually going up, and then you trade against Bitcoin. That's how you get more Bitcoin. You guys understand that? What's your thoughts on XRP? I have no thoughts on XRP. Get out of XRP. If you're in XRP, my question is why? There's no reason to be in XRP. I'm going to put it like this. The top 10 coins hit all-time highs. Let's look at XRP. Let's look at XRP. Let's look at it in weeks. I just want people to just look at this. What XRP has done in weeks. Last time XRP hit its all-time high was that was actually see where XRP was at. I'm trying to get it to where I know Bitstamp has been around for a while. XRP wasn't even on that. But last time XRP hit its all-time high was in January of I think it was December or January. December of 2017, January 2018. One of those. But let's look at Binance, for example, though. Like, they don't have it. You know what I mean? But, the last time you see a big move, XRP, it's $1. April of 2021, it's $1.97. Still haven't hit its all-time high. Let's look at CoinGecko. It'll tell me the last time it hit its all-time high. Because I want people to see it, man. Like, it's crazy because people just, I don't understand with XRP. XRP hit its all-time high 4 years ago. January 7th, 2018. I know December, January. That's the last time XRP hit its all-time high. So $3.40, and it hasn't even come close to it in all these years. It hit a peak at $1.96 back in April 2021, and it's been on a downward. So it haven't even hit it. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Cardano, Litecoin, everything that hit its all-time high recently. You know what I mean? Terra Luna, all this stuff hit all-time high. Why you got your money inside something that haven't hit an all-time high in years? So, and they're not working with the banks. They pay banks to use their technology, and then they went and did a full press run and said, "Hey, banks are using our technology." The banks are saying, "Hey, we're using our own technology. Thanks for letting us know about this, and now we're gonna build our own stuff." So I don't get it. Speak on a halving with Bitcoin, layman's terms. So just look on you gotta just do a Google or YouTube search on that. I'm 10 minutes over. Just look at a halving, just the coin, what I mean? It take the miners, it's harder to mine Bitcoin at every halving, and the payout is cut in half. It's that simple. It's not too much to say. The payment is cut in half. You know what I mean? So and that's what it is. That's what halving is. So it costs more money and it's harder to get. And that's why the price goes up. It's all about supply and demand. Supply goes down and demand goes up. It's harder to get. But yeah, guys, I'm get out of here. So I'm gonna holler at y'all. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys follow us on Twitter, on all our social media, TikTok, Instagram as well. We're giving out different stuff. If you guys are not inside the Telegram, make sure you guys, pretty much reach out to us, follow us, or tweet me. You know what I mean? Or message me on Twitter or Instagram or anything like that, and say, "Hey man, I need that. What you call it? I need that Telegram link." And I see that link. We only be around for 2 weeks, so it's gonna be we shutting it down on the 14th. So you got like 10 days left. 14, 15, so you got like 10 days left. But I'm gonna highlight y'all, man. I'm not going to get eat my lunch real quick and getting out this trade at 2 o'clock, the Fed decision. I'm gonna highlight y'all. Y'all be straight. It's your guy Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.